Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace or clean the main brush of your DREAME X50 Ultra. To do it, you will need to begin by taking the robot out of the charging station if it's there, then flip the robot over, just like that. And you'll see the main brushes being right here. Now to open it up, there typically are two buttons here that you need to pinch together like that and take the cover off. Now you'll get two main brushes. They are connected together, so that's pretty great, I guess. Although you can't take them out, I think. Yeah, you can, but I wouldn't recommend that because it requires you to unscrew this part. So only take them out if you actually need to replace them or actually need to clean them, not just for fun, because there's a screw and you don't want to break the screw. But yeah, you can just unscrew this screw and slide them out. Now to put them back in, there is markings of the colors, so there's the orange and black, so do it in that exact order, like that. You can see, put them in, and then close the cover. To close the cover, first put the part near the front of the vacuum in, then the part which goes to the back. Right? No, not right. It is absolutely not right. Did something wrong. Yeah, so first the part that is near the front of the vacuum, and then, yeah, now it is done well. But it's clicking for some reason. Shouldn't be click. No, I think it's fine, you know? It looks like it's fine, it's closed. So that's basically how you do it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.